Hey, I'm Nick Miller, founder and creative director of Proclamation Jewelry. At Proclamation, we craft heirloom legacy pieces for men. And today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes as we create one of our most extraordinary pieces, the Champion St. Michael pendant. I'm really excited to show you every step of the process. But first, just like with every piece we make at Proclamation Jewelry, we're going to start with the story that inspired the design.
Before the first light pierced the void, there was harmony in heaven. But pride corrupted one of heaven's greatest sons. Lucifer rose in defiance, gathering legions in rebellion. Then, God sent his champion.
Quis ut Deus?
Michael, the Prince of Heaven, met the traitor in battle, sword in hand, armor blazing. Lucifer fell like lightning from heaven, cast into the earth with his followers. But Michael's war did not end. He remains the guardian of souls, the sword of God, the shield of the righteous. To carry him is to carry his strength.